Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can charge JBL Wind 3S. What we need to do is use the USB cable that should be included in the box. On one side we have the normal USB and on the other we have USB Type-C. Now in my case I'm gonna use my cable that I use for my phone. This one works as well. It has the same end on one and other side. Now at the bottom of the speaker we have something like this. It says Wind 3. We can simply take it out. In order to open the slot for the cable, we need to put it in like so. And now the other end is of course the normal USB. And then we have two choices. We can connect it to your laptop or PC, or if you have the USB charger, then you can use it as well. And then you simply put it, you simply charge it with your USB charger, instead of connecting it through USB to your PC or laptop or something similar. And let me show you how it looks like when it's charging. When it is in the when it is charging, then we have this red light over here in the middle instead of the white one, and this is the indicator that it is being charged. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.